What if I told you that you could make thumbnails like MrBeast or other top YouTubers for free? No Photoshop, no design experience, just pure AI magic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning YouTube thumbnails for free using AI. No expensive software, no design experience, just smart AI tools that do all the work for you. Have you ever looked at the thumbnails of your favorite YouTubers and thought, there's no way I could make something that good without hiring a pro or spending hours on complicated design software? Let's be real, if your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, your video is basically invisible. No clicks equals no views equals no chance of going viral. That's why top YouTubers invest so much time, effort, and money into their thumbnails. But here's the secret. You don't have to spend a fortune or be a design wizard to get pro-level results. AI is here to do the heavy lifting for you, and there are plenty of free AI-powered tools that make designing thumbnails a breeze. Some of my favorites include Canva, Adobe Express, Ideogram, face-swapping tools, and free image upscalers. Here's one way you can create an eye-catching thumbnail without touching Photoshop or breaking a sweat. Before you dive in, find a few thumbnails from a big creator that you love to use for inspiration. Here's how you can download a high-quality version of any YouTube thumbnail using free online tools. Watch this. Copy the video link and then add it here. Now, you can download a copy to your computer. Next, it's time to upload the thumbnail you just saved right into ChatGPT's image analyzer to help you. Yep, I said ChatGPT. Then use the following prompt to let ChatGPT analyze the image for you and break down the key elements: colors, fonts, expressions, background, etc. Once all that is done, it'll create a new image prompt based on the example to help you design a new concept for your very own thumbnail. Grab the prompt in ChatGPT and take it and plug it into an AI image generator like Ideogram AI. It does a great job with text and images. I'm using a free account today. Adjust the settings to make sure your image is 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube, and select a style that fits your vibe. Hit generate when you're ready and let the AI work its magic. And just look at these.
Wow.
They are so good. And if you wanted to, you could always change the prompt and rerun it. But today, I'll choose this one and download it. Notice on the free plan, the images are not high quality, but I'll show you how to fix that in the next step. I had a lot of fun creating that first thumbnail, so I went ahead and made a few extra examples using Ideogram. Just wanted to share them with you to show more creative possibilities for designing eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Whether you're making content about money, business, or any other topic, these tools make it super easy to create pro-level visuals in minutes. Just remember, there is a low limit using the free account. Often, free AI tools lower the image resolution, which is not ideal for great-looking YouTube thumbnails. No worries, just run your image through a free AI upscaler tool to boost the quality and make it look sharp. I'll show you how to do it right now. Just look at the difference. Then, once you upscale it, download it, and you're ready to go on to the next step. Now, it's time to take that image we just created and make it even better. So we'll go to Canva and go to YouTube thumbnail, click on that, and then I'll drag in the new image and put it there. Now, I'm going to make a lot of changes to it, so I want you to watch carefully to see what I do. The biggest thing I'm going to do is just to make this look better. Right now, it's pretty good. The text is nice. Everything's spelled correctly, but the color is bad. So I'm going to click on Edit, and then scroll down to the bottom and work my way up. Now you just experiment. So I'll pull the clarity up some, make the sharpness a little better, tweak the saturation and vibrance, make the blacks darker, and same thing with the white. I'll also choose the brightness and brighten it up a bit. Next, I'll tweak the contrast. Okay. That was before, and this is after I made the changes. You can always make more adjustments if you wanted to. You can also use the filters.
Wow.
I don't like to use those. I prefer to use the adjustment tool here. You can also choose auto adjust if you want, so just experiment with these and see what you get. Once you make it like you want it, the next thing you want to do is download it. So go to File, click Download, choose PNG or JPEG, and then download it. Can you see the difference?
Wow.
I think it's pretty noticeable. The Canva image editor is very powerful. Okay, and then now that you've got that completed, you're ready to upload it to YouTube to use with your new video you just made. Just follow these steps to make it your own. Best of all, everything we did so far was free. So that's even better, right? What about text? If your image from Ideogram has text in it, you can change it if you need to. But how? Let me show you one way that is super easy, but not free. So put it in Canva, click on your image, go to Edit, and look here at Magic Studio. These are the tools I'll be using. First, I'll use Grab Text, and you can either use the click button or you can use all text. Click on the image and go to Edit. Go to Grab Text. This is a premium tool. Imagine, I wanted to get rid of Watch Now. Now you can see this is a completely new layer, but there's a lot more you can do with it. Maybe you want to change the font. Okay, let's experiment. You can also change the size or color, so there's a lot you can do with just that alone. Maybe I don't want this button. Let's go back and click on this. Go to Edit and choose Magic Grab. Watch this. And just like that, you have a pro-level thumbnail. With AI tools, you don't have to stress over design. You can go from blank page to eye-catching image in minutes. Plus, the method I just shared with you is totally free. No expensive software, no hiring designers, just putting AI to work for you. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to try this method today. Create your own professional thumbnail and see what a difference it can make in your click-through rate. Let me know in the comments what tools you used and how it turned out. Because, trust me, your content deserves to be seen. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.